Do you know what time it is? Wow! Man, that's getting worse and worse, isn't it? It's silver and gold time. Market update time. Let's get straight into it. Guys, don't place a trade based on this monkey's video. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Click that off button right now. Just guys, don't place a trade based on what you see in this video. I'm just going to give you my personal opinion, what I'm seeing in the markets right now as I speak, all right? I'm not perfect. I make mistakes. I have losing trades just like everyone. All right, let's actually get straight into today's video. Turn this monkey's video off. I'm only having fun with you guys. All right, so let's have a look at what's happening with silver and gold overall. Let me go back to more of a blank chart. And this is actually what's happening. This is what's actually happened on silver. Is you can see. Well, actually, let me go back to this chart here because it's a bit more definite. You can see what actually happened on silver. Silver. It sounds pretty weird, doesn't it? On silver. What happened on silver is that we actually had this nice reversal bar through here. Nice reversal bar, closing high through there. Closing high. And now we're actually getting a little reversal up. So I believe, guys, we're likely to start seeing a bit more of a reversal. As in a reversal back to the high side. The weekly chart is still overall higher. The weekly chart is still making the... If you can see this here, still made a higher high. This here could be making a high low right now. So this week, it looks like it may have formed the bottom through here. So we may get a little upside. If that's the case, it's going to confirm this little higher low. And then I think off to the races we go. Same for gold as well too. Gold actually did the same thing. Little reversal bar through there. Little rally up into this resistance level here. I think that's going to be short. This little resistance here. I think it's going to be short lived. And again, because you see this here, it's actually right at that support level right now. So, again, if you look at this here, guys, you can see, man, you can see they made a higher high and also a higher low. So I do believe we're likely to make another high low here, and I believe we're likely to start rallying out of this here. It looks like it's trying to find some form of a bottom through here, I believe. And if that's the case, I believe we're likely to start seeing a lot more upside to go. Let's go have a look at the, let me just quickly go and have a look at the junior, like the GDX and the GDXJ, and let me show you what I'm seeing through there. So the GDX and the GDXJ, as you can see, a nice little sort of engulfing bar on the GDXJ with a good volume there. Not a big spike in volume, but a lot of volume there, around 50 million. So I would expect to see, now it's had a little rally up and a rally back down. I believe we're likely to start seeing a rally up and out through there. And the GDXJ, same thing for as well too. Nice little volume there. A nice little engulfing bar through there at this level of resistance. So I'm expecting the market to pick back up and away we go. So let's go have a look at the indices and the indexes. I don't know what to say, guys, but wow, look at this market go, right? It's just like, don't fight the trend. The market is still continuing up. Don't fight the trend, my man. Just don't fight the trend. What I kept saying to you guys last week, right, about that bipolar video. He's now actually changed it to... He's now actually, I think he's taken down that video that he did with the actual dates on it, and he put up another video saying, in our last video we said sometime in October that we're going to have blah 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 blah. So that's like he's now actually changed the video as well too. He's now reviewed it and changed it. Some people have been watching it and reporting back to me. Not really reporting back to me. They're just telling me what's going on. They like to keep me updated. So you can see what's happening through here right now, especially on the Dow Jones. We're at that level there right now on the Dow Jones. S&P, something very, very, very similar is happening on the S&P, a little rally up. So do we actually start to get a little rally down? We've actually been going for a rally. We've been rallying for a while now. So it's really interesting to see that. Plus also Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is really starting to rally up and out of this level here as well too. So overall, guys, if we look at that weekly chart, there is nothing bearish about this market right now as I speak. Nothing bearish. Same with the Dow Jones as well too. Just continue to break up, moving higher, and same for the S&P as well too, moving higher as well. So guys, again, and if you guys have been watching my last videos, don't fight the trend. And every time someone tries to call a crash, it seems like it just wants to keep going higher and higher and higher. So don't fight the trend. Just let it go. And the best thing you can do is, and that's what my most successful trades are, Not all of them, but or not. This is not a hard and fast rule, but I get a high win-loss ratio when I follow that rule. Where if I'm trading, I make sure I'm trading with the higher time frame trend.